very, very special man tonight. Naniniwala ko you're already a winner. You know what? Being a winner doesn't only necessarily mean you have to be with a company who wins all the time, with a team who wins all the time. But you have to make a choice for you to become a winner, to be part of an organization, not just a company, not just a group of people, but in totality, a company that can bring you to an over and everlasting success. Marami po tayong company makita sa labas. And kung pag-usapan natin income, there are many other options. Kung pag-usapan natin business, napakarami pong options din. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Royalistas, I am very proud to say that we have made another good choice. Choice to win again, once again. When I say once again, we've been winning for the last 5.5 years. I won 5.5 years ago when I made my choice to join the chairman. For the chairman is a very kind-hearted leader. It's difficult to find someone with that kind of spirit, that good heart. Marami tayong makikitang pinuno. Maraming ganito. Magaling, matalino, bihasa sa negosyo. But this is in question. Mabuti ba yung puso niya? And I found that 5.5 years ago sa katauhan ng ating chairman and CEO. Palakpakan po natin. It's not every day. It's not every day we find someone who can take care of us the way he does. Sabi nga ni VP Mar, he's like a father. To me, hindi siya papayag. He's like a brother. He's a mentor. He teaches you not just what to do, how to do it, but why are you doing it? Diba, isn't it more important why are you doing it is the principal and primary reason for you to do something. Tama po? In chairman, yun ang pinanawa niya sa akin. Kaya nung sinimulan po ang Royal, without a doubt, nung nakita ko ang chairman, nakita ko yung wisdom, yung vision ng chairman, sabi ko, I have to join this man. Otherwise, I will regret it for the rest of my life. Dahil kailan ako makakita ng ganyan ulit? Dahil kung opportunity, everyday marami niyan. You don't believe that it only knocks once. When Royal is around, every day there is an opportunity.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Pero not every day you can find a leader like that. Kaya sabi ko, pag nakakita ko ng ganong tao, sasamahan ko yun. Because I've been in the business for 7 years prior to joining Royal. Prior to Royal, ang hirap po. Magagandang companies. Walang company ngayon I could see na hindi po competitive. Lahat napakaganda. And I would say this is one of the best, if not the best opportunity on earth. The sobrang ganda, walang pangit na kumpanya ngayon. But nevertheless, maganda produkto mo, maganda marketing plan mo, you got the best of the best. You always win. Like just what I said. We keep on winning. The thing is, kahit na gano'ng maganda ang produkto mo, kahit na gano'ng maganda ang marketing plan mo, if you do not have a leader like him, then remember this. Whatever we have today, ginawa lang yan ang pinuno. Hindi produkto ang gumawa sa Royal, that's why we are here. It's not a good and lucrative marketing plan that we had several years ago. That's why we are all successful. It's because of one man. I have to reiterate that point because, ladies and gentlemen, the rise and fall of any organization depends on his leadership. Depends on leadership. Leadership is influence. Nothing more, nothing less. He has influenced me to do great things. Not just good things. Not even excellent things. Great things. Why great things? Because he made me believe, and I fully understood, I have to touch his vision. Sabi ng chairman, iho po ang tawag niya sa akin ng panahon na yun. When I was a lot younger, when I was about to make my decision, iho, when I was at your age, I was also in the same predicament. I had to make my decision. Nung nakita ko yung concern niya sa akin over the business, yung concern niya hindi lang sa akin, sa tao. Iba yung business, iba yung tao. We compose this business, right? Our business is Royal, but we compose it. Yung concern niya sa tao, I cannot afford, na mapahiya sa mga tao. Sabi ko, kailan ka makakain ng tao na gano'n din na gusto niya? And you know what? 5.5 years later, again, I found someone like that. Yung passion for someone, passion for people. And when I found that person, I never let go of him. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, I am very, very proud to introduce to you that man. That man that I'm about to introduce to you is someone who is in the same line of thought, thinking, wavelength of mind, vision, passion, and hope for everyone. Again, it is not every day we find someone like that. Kaya po, nung nakakita ko, I never hesitated to discuss things with the chairman, with my team. I even, if I have that time, if I had to move mountains, ginawa ko na po. Hindi po ako nagsisisi. And this is the kind of decision I have to make to have a better Royal tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is our night once again. This year is another year for Royal. But tonight, I want all of us to have an open mind. I know you're all achievers in your own rights. You're already millionaires. Some of them outside are new distributors who are about to get there. Papunta na po. Hindi pa man successful, hindi pa top producer, papunta na po doon. Some of you here nakasama ka na for several times sa Europe, sa iba't ibang bansa. You're already successful in your own rights. But let me tell you this. I want you all to have an open mind. Why? Not just because this man is about to stand in front of you and tell you something that can help your business, but because I trusted this man. That's why I am entrusting this whole organization to him. And I want you to listen to him because I have entrusted him this company. Just like the chairman has entrusted it to me. Mahirap pong kumuha ng tao na magaling lang. Dahil kung galing ang pag-uusapan, ang dahil pong magagaling. Sa showbiz, ang dahil magagaling. Sa Senado, ang dahil magagaling. Sa impeachment trial, ang dahil magagaling. Ang punto ko, kailan tayo makita ng tao na meron ito. Ito, para sa atin lahat. Di ba yun ang gusto natin? Yes! We believe, I believe, which we all agree, hindi tayo pang next 5 years lang. Yes. We are about to charter the history and putting the name of Royal on top of it. Last night, I met this very, very fantastic group. Phoenix Group, nag-celebrate kayo last night sa event ninyo. Every group in this company, I would say, are co-equal. Magagaling kayo pare-pareho. It's just that last night, I met this group, and very, very exciting group. I shared to them what I saw in Facebook. It may be true or may not be true. It may happen, may not happen. But I believe when it happens, we will be part of it. What was that, sir? Sir President, po kayo nakita nyo? I'm sure that nag-repost po kayo nito. Kayo po yung nag-post. Ayun ko nakita. That is just my only outlet to the outside world. It was the publication of CNN like several weeks ago. A research and study survey made by HSBC executives that 2050 is a very, very fantastic year for the Philippines. Ano sabi doon? How many of you have recalled or do recall that publication? It states there, it reads, number 16, and 38 years from today, Royal will be 44 years old, or about 45 years old. But I'm trying to say, it would happen, because there is this one company who would take part to make it happen. Yeah! Royal will make it happen. We will be a major player of the Philippine economy when it happens. Let's talk about Germany. Let's talk about Germany's economy. When talk about German's economy, yung mga German ang alam natin, there are major companies na pagsabi mo German economy. You mentioned companies, Benz, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Myers. Alam mo, ayun ang nagdadrive na economy ng Germans. Pag pinag-usapan ng Amerika, mga giant automotive giants, giant pharmaceuticals, multinational companies, Europeans likewise. When talk about economy ng France, particularly, they're good at selling expensive luxury items. When we talk about Philippines today, wala tayong alam. Ano ba? And we keep on telling ourselves OFWs. OCWs, domestic helpers all over the world. We are about to make it a different perspective, a different scenario by that time. We will put a different meaning of Filipinos in Wikipedia. We will put Filipinos not just domestic helpers, not just slaves, or not just utility people, but also entrepreneurs.
Yes.
Filipinos entrepreneurs at the same time through a company under the name Royal.
Yes.
How can we achieve this kind of significance? We have to start it today.
Yes.
Not 38 years from today. What we have tomorrow is the result of our decision, result of our actions today. Maniwala kayo sa akin mga kaibigan, mangyayari po yan. And I tell you, when it happens, balikan mo ako. By the time I will be like 68 years old, Mr. President, dream come true. It has happened. Oh, maraming mapalapag sa iyo. I'm very excited with this man. Alam niyo, natutuwa ako kasi sabi ko, finally nakakita ako ng katulad namin. Ang hirap po magsama ng bagong tao sa team ng management. Ang hirap po. Ang hirap. Alam niyo, nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, hindi mo papabayaan ito yung pumuro yan. Kung paano ko minamahal, kung paano inaalaga, minamahal ng chairman ng kumpanya, nakita ko, ganyan rin tayo alagaan. Kailangan po namin ng kakampi. Dahil nagsimula po kami 5.5 years ago, hindi po tayo ganito karami. Hindi na po dumadami ang management. Tama? We have to add new leaders in this company. I'm talking about in our management team. Sa laki po ng building natin, maniwala kayo, makapusin tayo ng batteries of speaker. Kaya po, ulitin ko sa inyo lahat. Again, I know all of you are really great at what you do. But please, again, when was the last time you opened your mind? I don't know. But tonight, please open it again. And pick up. Let's go back to basic. Wala tayong alam. Kung ano yung sabihin niya, i-absorb ninyo. Pag meron kayo nakita maganda sinabi niya, kopyahin ninyo. Pag natutuwa kayo, pumalak pa kayo. Kung kailangan niyo umiyaw, huwag niyo pigilan sarili ninyo. Ilabas ninyo. Kung excited kayo, sumigaw kayo. Walang mababawal sa inyo. Pag meron kayo natutunan, ipamana nyo, i-share nyo sa mga tao ninyo. Huwag nyo sarlinin. Lahat ng matututunan nyo, i-apply nyo kagad. Let us create a better Royal. Let us create a better industry today. Let this company spearhead. Let this company be the paragon of the industry. Let Royal be on the top of the list. List, when you talk about, tell me a Filipino multinational in terms of food and beverages, is San Miguel. In terms of fast food chain, Jollibee, Pangnasan. But you tell me, in terms of MLM, can you name one? None yet. Maybe. But we are about to make another name, Royal. The word Royal will not just be popularized in the Middle East because of royal people or royalty. Even in a country like ours, let it be known that Royal started in this country. Royal is a Filipino company, and Royal is the first Filipino multinational company, and we will popularize this sign, this power sign, all over the world. It won't no longer be a sign of what just a thumbs up sign. It is a Royal sign. Hindi na siya magiging thumbs up sign lang eh. That's a sign of Royal. Alam po ninyo, sa sobrang excited ko sa totoo lang, hindi kami makatulog ang kanilang umaga. In behalf of the management, once again, let me do a rundown. Our chairman, our beloved chairman, sir, thank you so much. Boss, chairman. Maraming salamat. Why? He supported me all the way. I told the chairman, sir, we need this guy. Go get him. No objections. And I'm at your back. Come what may. Pag pinagkatiwala ka ng ganun, di mo pwede sirain. Eh. Tama? Pag nakakita ka ng ganun pinuno, susundin mo talaga kahit anong pasabi sa iyo, di ba? Likewise, sir, maraming salamat to your kids. Very, very humble and very kind-hearted kids. you see how good the father, how good father and a leader and a person the chairman is sa anak. Napakabubuti po ng anak. Walang ere, walang yapak. Kung sino pa yung katutuusin, merong karapatan na mag-iabang, mag-aangas, sila pa yung napaka-saludo ko sa inyo. Mr. Eric, Ms. Isa of Operations and Sales, thank you for being part of this company. Palakpakan po niyo. You know, the company is a very, very nice harmony. The company is a very, very nice unity, harmony. Ang sarap, parang pamilya talaga. Siyempre, dahil yung ex-girlfriend ko, kasi, misis ko na ngayon, di ba? Just point of clarification, my wife, yung palagi nagpapatibay at nagpapatigas sa akin. Loob ko. Nagpapatigas ng paninindigan ko. Nagtiwala ko na kaya ko to. And very, very supportive, loving, caring, faithful, beautiful. Mr. Sarah, you mentioned the last one. Saka makakita, ang ganda. Supportive. Mabang. Ang ganda ng anak buhay mo. Ang sarap ng kasama sa kumpanya. Tapos yung miso, pag uwi mo, inaasikaso ka pa. Tapos susunod na ng brochure. Ano paki-aprobahan mo to? Di ba? It's because we love doing work wherever we are. And thank you so much. You know, this very important person in my life. Very important because before I even get to meet my wife, siya po ang kakilala ko. Hindi ko po siya girlfriend dati. But she's very, very special. If I may use the word girlfriend, because girlfriend is a very significant person in my life. Very, very good executive. Ito yung kabatuhan ko. When I'm tired, pinapasa ko sa kanya. Because sinasapo niya ako. Nakuha niyo? I need someone to help me. Hindi naman tayo Almighty God na hindi na nangihina, hindi bumabagsak ang moral. And I got this very, very lucky partner in my life, our Vice President for Branches, Miss Angelina Angeles. Angelina, palapas ko! Kaya po kilala ko, we are very good friends, but we were never lovers. I happen to be the best man of self further. Mas maganda po siya ang magkwento sa inyo, but one thing I can tell you, he has vast, solid 15 straight years of experience in this industry. Wala pa ho kayo. Wala pa po tayo sa MLM. He is already there. He is already an achiever. I call him one of the last, if not the last of the Mohicans. Wala na akong makitang katulad niya na natitira, na nandun pa sa ganong katagal na industriya, who has maintained a credibility and integrity that clean. Mahirap bumanat ng tao mapagkakatiwalaan na may magandang reputasyon at aalagaan ang iniwan o ang trabahong inaatas namin sa kanya. Ladies and gentlemen, very proud to introduce him. It's my pleasure. Let us welcome Mr. Michael A. Tan! I can hear you!
Chairman. And to all my fellow VPs, thank you po. So, for that very nice introduction, mga kaibigan. Actually, mga kaibigan, nakakatuwa kasi yung sinabi ni Press kanina. Sabi ko, ang ganda. Maganda ba sinabi niya? Yes! Bayad yan eh. So,
excuse me guys, we will go. We have to go so you can enjoy your moment, and there will be like 6 vacant seats. So guys,
yes,
you can take our seats. Mike, you go ahead guys.
Thank you so much. Ayan mga kaibigan. So, ayan. Okay mga kaibigan, are we all ready? Yes! Alam ko nakakatawa mga kaibigan, nung introduction ni Press, nakikinig ko ako doon. Hindi ko alam na ganun parang kalalim ang samahan ng mga tao dito sa Royal. Diba? And please, I do apologize if ever minsan medyo napapahinto ako mamaya o medyo parang natisip ko. Kasi you have to understand, matagal na kasi ako sa Royal eh. 1 week na po. 1 week na po ako sa Royal, and for the past 1 week mga kaibigan, nagmamatsyag po ako, and natitig na po yung mga tao nagsasalita, and I'm very impressed mga kaibigan sa leadership ng mga leaders natin dito sa Royal. Especially sa mga taong mga nakita ko, mga na-meet ko last week, no? Pero alam mo mga kaibigan, mas maganda siguro to cut the ice. Magkwento muna ako. Gusto nyo kwento? Yes! Mga kaibigan, there's this one guy, very famous guy. His name is, itawag natin sa pangalang August. Yan, si August, diba? I met August last week eh. Si August mga kaibigan, first time siya nakakuha ng US visa. So itong si August mga kaibigan, dahil meron sa US visa, pumunta ng Amerika, syempre, diba? May US visa eh. Then na-meet niya yung lolo niya. Nung nakita yung lolo niya doon, pinasya siya ngayon sa San Francisco. Pagpasya nila sa San Francisco, anong nangyari? Sumakay sila ng tram. Alam niyo yung tram? Yes. Oh, tram, diba? Yung tram. Sakay ng tram, ganyan. Tapos si August, may nakita magandang babae. Sabi niya si lolo, Lolo, tignan mo, ganda ng babae. Oh, grabe, ganda. Sige, sabi mo, ako, nakita mo, makipagkilala ka. Ipakita mo yung bangis natin mga Pinoy. Sabi niya. So ngayon, ang ginawa ni August, lumapit siya. Lapit siya ngayon, di ba? Sabi niya, kasi babae, ganda siya. Tapos yung lolo, nakatingin lang. Tapos nagulat yung lolo kasi nakita niya, after ilang minuto, ang ginawa ng bus, sinampal si August. Ha? Nagulat siya. Pagkatapos, after mga 10 seconds, sinampal ulit. Ha? Tapos sabi ng babae, Pilipina, Americana, Bastos! Mabalis, di ba? So ngayon bumalik si August, lulugo-lugo. Sabi ng lolo, ano nangyari sa'yo? Sinampal po ako eh. Bakit? Ano ba ginawa mo? Kasi nilapitan ko. Nakipag-usap ako. Tapos nakita ko yung zipper niya bukas. Ano ginawa mo? Di syempre, sinarado ko. Nung sinarado ko, tapos, alam mo ako, masama yan. Ba't mo ginawa yung bastos yun? Oo nga po eh. Ano ginawa mo? Nung alam kong bastos po, pinuksan ko ulit. Alam mo mga kaibigan, gawain mo gusto yun eh. So, mga kaibigan, ano mo simple lang kung historian yun, what am I trying to tell you? Very basic lang. For the next 1.5 hours, I will do the RDO. And there are things mga kaibigan na maaaring masasabi ko mamaya, na para sa akin, ang pakay ko lang po is to share to you. Pero there might be a point na baka ma-offend kayo mamaya o hindi nyo magustuhan. Pero hindi po ako sasampalin. My job for tonight is to share to you my experience for the past 15 years in network marketing. I'm not here to offend anyone, nor to make things complicated to everyone. Ang trabaho ko lang po, mag-share. So okay lang mo ba yun?
Yes!
Because I believe mga kaibigan, the mind is like a parachute. It is best used when it is open. Okay, so buksan lang natin and magtulungan tayo. Okay ba yun?
Yes!
Okay. So alam mo mga kaibigan, ako naman po kasi, matagal na ako nag-network. Pero just like some of you here, sino ba rito, yung first time to do network marketing, pero yung taas ang kamay? First time to do network? And sino dito yung mga kaibigan na mag-1 month pa lang? Kayo. Ikaw mag-1 month pa lang. Yun, ganyan, di ba? So ako mga kaibigan, naimbitahan kasi ako, matagal na. Naimbitahan ako, January 1996. Buhay na ba kayo nito? At yung mga panahon mga kaibigan, na ang jeep, 150 pa lang. Di ba? Alam niyo yun, di ba? Ikaw, August, malamang, ano ka na yun, college graduate ka na yan, di ba? Joke lang, di ba? So, January 96, naimbitahan ako ng barkada ko, sabi niya, pare, kasi mga kapatid, yung mga panahon na hindi pa kilala networking. Yun yung mga panahon na ang namamayagpag, yung mga Avon, yung mga Sarali, Tupperware, yung mga insurance, tsaka yung mga encyclopedia. Network marketing, hindi kilala. Eh yung barkada ko mga kaibigan, kasi mga kaibigan, nag-aral po ako sa isang prestigious university in the Philippines, FEU. Okay. Very exciting school, di ba? So, at the same time mga kaibigan, di ba sa school mga kaibigan, may mga barkada ng mga mayayaman, tropang mayayaman, di ba? Yun, mga tropa. Hindi kami yun, di ba? Pero kami mga tropa, yung mga dugyot-dugyot, di ba? Yung mga dukha, di ba? Hindi ko ba pag kumakain, pare pakagat naman. Okay, parang kayo yun. Kayo yun eh. So anyway, kami yun. Eh mga kaibigan, when I was in college, meron pa akong part-time job. I was a messenger. And I was a messenger for 7 years. And nakatapos po ako ng Bachelor of Science of Electrical Engineering. And I'm also a board taker but never a passer. Kaya ako sa board. So, okay mga kaibigan, ang nangyari, barkada ko, tapos may mga barkada din ako, yung mga tumatawa, bagsak din yun. Nakaka-relate. So, anyway mga kaibigan, yung barkada ko, niyaya ako, sabi niya, pare, sali ka bro, ano ba yan? Bro, may kumpanya ako. Pare, chuki driver ka na, may kumpanya ka na. Hindi, pare, may nakita ko magandang kumpanya. Sali ka, maganda to. Pare, ano ba yan? Pare, hindi pwedeng sabihin eh. Hindi, anong produkto? Pare, gamot. Bawal na gamot. Hindi bro, sama ka. Hindi bro, pag sumama ka, pakakainin kita. Sasama kayo, hindi? Sama! Kita niyo galing yun. Hindi talaga kayo eh, di ba? So, kasama din ako, Pizza Hut, kain kami. Lapang, di ba? Kain na, mo na rin. Hindi bro, sa sobrang busog mo, punta kasi suka, kakain. Mga ganun. So, ganun. Mga kaibigan, you have to understand, I was a messenger. For me, nung panahon na yun, ang Pizza Hut, social yan. Social yan. Wala pa dating mga, basta yung mga amici, wala pa ganun. Kukunti lang ang restaurant nun. So, for me, Pizza Hut, social. So, ako, wow, Pizza Hut, kakain naman ako, di ba? Tapos, pakinig kami sa seminar, parang ganyan. Tapos, katulad nito, ang daming tao ng panahon na yun eh. Ilang kami nung mati na seminar? 7. Ito lang kami nun eh. Tapos yung ito, mga kaibigan, sabi ko sa katabi ko pare, ano ba ito? Sabi niya, shh, wala kang maingay, ako speaker. So anyway, hindi naman kami seminar. Hindi ako sumali. Sabi ko sa barkada ko, pare, ikaw na lang dyan sumali sa mga recruit mo, bro. Kung hindi, sabi ng speaker, gumagano pa ako, hinahampas ang hinahampas yung pader. Sabi niya, pag kayo sumali, negosyo, kita ka 30,000. Sabi ng barkada ko, sabi ko, pare, kumikita ko ng 30? Wala pa. Ito maganda, pag sumali ka, kikita ako. Sabi tayo ko, ayaw yan. So, nangyari noon, hindi ako sumali. Sabi ko, ikaw na lang. Pag tumita ka, sama ako. Pag nagkakotse ka, dire-diretso na ako dyan. So, time pass. February, walang nangyari. March, walang nangyari. April, lumabas yung exam. Bagsak na ako sa board exam, di ba? So, May, lulugo-lugo ako sa bintana. Di ba? Ano na kaya ang aking future? Kaya yung mga bagsak, di ba? Ganyan din ba? Isip-isip ka, di ba? Ganun yun eh. Di ba yung binalikan ako, kapatid? Binalikan ako nung June, may kotse na.
Oh, yun!
Diba siya pa? Pare, kotse ko, di ba? Pare, saan galing yan? Pare, alam mo sa akin, kung sumama ka lang, dapat may kotse ka na. Tanongin kita ngayon. Dati, walang kotse. Walang makain. After 6 months, brand new car. Kasama ka, hindi?
Kasama!
Kasama ako, mga kaibigan. Now, nung sumama ako, doon nabuksan ang isipan ko. Sabi ko, pare, nakinig ako ng seminar tulad ng ganito. Sabi ko, bro, ang ganda pala ng recruit. Marami pala ng pira dito. Sabi ko, nagbago ba kayo ng marketing plan? Nagbago ba kayo? Sabi ko, wala, nagbago. Eh, bakit ganda-ganda? Dati pangit kayo, maganda. Ano ko sabi niya? Pare, ano mo kasi? Dati, nung January, utak mo, sarado. You don't want to change. Nung mga panahon ng kapatid, sabi niya, yung utak mo kasi, sarado agad, engineering ka lang. Ayaw mong buksan ang utak mo sa mga ibang opportunity. Kaya lahat ng mga magagandang bagay, para sa'yo, pangit. Kasi isa na nakita mo maganda, engineering. Ito masakit, Mike. Engineering ka, takot ka ba sa kuryente? Sabi ko, loob ko, buti lang bumagsak ako eh. Kasi takot talaga ako sa kuryente, di ba? So, alam mo, Mike, ba't ka nagandaan ngayon? Kasi, kaya ka nagandaan, kasi open ka na. So mga kaibigan, tonight, I'll be telling you a lot of new things. Maybe for some of you, narinig nyo na yun. Pero sa akin lang mga kaibigan, where I am right now, what I have achieved for the past 15 years, because I always keep an open mind. So okay ba sa inyo yun?
Yes!
Tatanungin mo ako, Mike, bakit ba kami sumali dyan? Ano ba naging sikreto? Bakit ka ba tumagal sa industriyang ito? Alam mo kapatid, kung tatanungin mo ako kung ano naging sikreto namin, o bakit kami tumagal, hindi ko kagad masasagot sa iyo. Kasi, bago ko sabihin sa iyo kung paano ginawa namin, ang tatanungin ko naman sa iyo, bakit ka sumali? Ba't ka nandito? Why did you join Royal? Or why did you join network marketing? Alam ko yung mga kaibigan, pag sumali dito, sasabi sa akin, Mike, kasi kaya kami sumasali dito kasi maraming mga guwapo at magaganda.
Yes!
Tama ba yun?
Yes!
Kaya ang ating presidente, guwapo may presidente natin.
Yes!
Actually, mga kaibigan, sa totoo lang, ako yung pagsasabi yan. Namanglag siya sa akin ng konti. Alam mo naman niya, nakasalamin lang yun. Joke lang, di ba? Pero para sa akin, mga kaibigan, okay, di ba? So anyway, para sa akin, mga kaibigan, I'm sure all of you have your own reason. Pero para sa akin, sana, huwag lang kasi pera kaya tayo sumali dito. There should be a lot more why you join. Because pag sumali ka dito, pera lang ang katapat mo, paano kung may nakita kang ibang mas maganda? O mas malaki? May mag-asawa nga eh. Yung mag-asawa, syempre, husband and wife, yung isang gabi, yung wife, naglalabing sa husband. Sabi niya, ano pa niya, sir?
Odi.
Odi, di ba? Odi. Diba? Sabi ng wife niya, o sabi ng ni Odi, bakit ba? Odi, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Ano yun? Odi, bakit mo ako mahal? Nasubukan niyo ba yung mga husband, tinanong yung asawa niyo, bakit niyo sila mahal? Di ba usually sinasagot kasi maganda, kung ano man, di ba? Kasi mabait, ganyan, di ba? Ano mo sabi ni Odi? Mahal kita kasi pinag-dinesisyonan ko na. Biglang na-bad trip yung asawa. Kasi ako lahat ng kalambing-lambing. Alam mo sabi niya, sa tumingin si Odi, sabi ni Odi, alam mo why? Kaya ko sinabing pinag-desisyonan ko na. Kasi unang-una, pag sinabi kong minahal kita kasi maganda ka, eh paano nga pag may nakikita akong mas maganda ka sa'yo? Eh di din na kita mahal. Pangalawa, alam mo, pag sinabi kong may mas masarap magluto kaya ako sumama sa'yo, eh nanay mo mas masarap magluto kaya sa'yo. Tama mali. Diba? I love you because I already made my decision. Ladies and gentlemen, at dahil nakapag-decide na ako, hindi na magbabago yun. Tonight, mga kaibigan, when you made the decision that you want to do Royal, that's it! No more! Final!
Yes!
Because you already decided. And dahil nakapag-decide na, stand firm. Be firm about it. Whatever happens, whatever it takes, stand firm.
Yes.
Huwag na pabago-bago yung sasali ako. Apply, hataw. Sige, hataw. Ako, umulan. Diba, sasabihin ng apply mo, downline, ano ba tamang temperatura para mag-royal ka? Ano mali? So, when you make a decision, it is final bingo. Whatever happens, the caravan must go on. It must go on. So, when you make a decision, why you want to do Royal, that's it, no more na. And always remember, mga kaibigan, why you join is for your family. It's for your family. Alam mo kung may feeling mo, nahihirapan ka ngayon, tignan mo ng pamilya mo mamaya pag uwi mo. Sa mga nagsisimula po, sa mga feeling mo, hirap na hirap ka na.